everybody, another day, another dollar. Today is Tuesday, July 14th, and these are the top 5 things to know today on Wall Street. Kicking it off with number 1, the main event of the day will be the big bank earnings. JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo report their second quarter results ahead of the opening bell, and expectations are that they will show weakness along with the broader market as the coronavirus pandemic hammered the economy. The financial sector is expected to see a more than 52% decline in Q2 profits. So beyond the top and bottom line numbers, what the banks have to say about their outlook for the rest of 2020 and beyond could be of more importance to investors. On to number 2, coronavirus-related developments will remain in focus as investors digest news about more states pushing back reopening plans due to a recent resurgence in new cases. We saw that on Monday. Market sentiment took a hit after California announced that it would impose new restrictions on businesses, such as shutting down bars and banning indoor restaurant dining. That raised fears over the pace of the recovery, so be on the lookout for further headlines on that front, especially if we get more negative news coming out of Texas or California. On to number 3, stocks on Wall Street look set for a slightly higher open this morning. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all pointing to a gain of about 0.5% at the open. The pre-market moves come one day after the S&P and NASDAQ suffered a stunning reversal in the final hour of trade to end in negative territory on Monday. The VIX Volatility Index, meanwhile, will also be closely watched after it scored its biggest daily gain in more than a month on Monday, as the choppiness and volatility in markets is making a strong return. On to number 4, mega cap tech stocks, including Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia, which go by the acronym FANGMAN, will be in focus today. Investors will be watching for signs of a rebound in the sector after the group came under heavy selling pressure late on Monday. Tesla is another name to keep your eyes on after the electric car maker's stock dropped 3% after surging by more than 16% on Monday. Just a heads up, I'll provide a preview of 5 upcoming make or break earnings reports which need to be on your radar for my weekly post for Investing.com due on Wednesday, so be on the lookout for that. And finally, number 5 on the data front, the Commerce Department will publish June inflation figures at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. As always, you can track the data release in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. So that's it for me for today. If you don't already know, you can now listen to these daily videos in podcast format on Spotify and Apple Music, as well as on the Investing.com app. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody.